こんにちは. Welcome back to my lesson. You'll be able to ask what the product is and the price. Based on the basic structure X or Y です. You learn how to ask what and how much, number 1 to 10, and how to improve your memory. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. 1. Let's check what it is. You came to the local Japanese shop. いらっしゃいませ. Wow, it looks nice. But what is this? Let's ask the staff. You say, Yes. すみません. Say, これは何ですか? Can you guess what 何 means? Yes. What? All clear? If you don't understand これ and the sentence structure, please check lesson 4. Repeat after me. これは何ですか? これは何ですか? コロッケです. You know why the topic それは is omitted from lesson 5. By the way, have you already tried it? It's good. And you say, Yes. ありがとうございます. Good memory. Next, let's ask the price. Imagine you came to this shop. いらっしゃいませ. Wow, these cups are nice for my morning tea. I cannot find the price. Let's ask the staff. "すみません." Say, これはいくらですか? Can you guess what いくら means? Yes. How much? Repeat after me. これはいくらですか? これはいくらですか? 9ポンドです. Let's ask for repeating. Remember? Good. すみません. もう一度お願いします. 9ポンドです. Okay, let's get it. What would you say? Yes. これください. おいくつですか? Remember two things. Nice. 2つ. 袋はご利用ですか? Say yes. はい。どうもありがとうございます. You say, どうも. The last section. Let's learn 1 to 10 in Japanese. You learned 1つ、2つ、3つ in lesson 3, but counting is different from just number itself for the native speakers. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please master the numbers by the next lesson. You learn more based on these. Okay, today's summary. まとめ. What phrases did you learn? Yes, 何, いくら and 1から10. Well done. Okay, my learning tip for long-term memory. Have you heard about Eddinghaus forgetting curve? After 1 hour, you forget about 50% of something you learned. After 24 hours, it will be over 70%. And after 1 month, you forget almost everything. But don't you want to remember what you learned today? Actually, you can improve your memory if you repeat it within 24 hours for the next 3 days. So you can absorb today's expressions by watching this video once a day for the next 3 days. You've learned a lot, so watch this video until you remember all. Then, speak a lot on the practice video in many situations. Practice is essential! It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. In the next lesson, you'll learn the deep cultural aspect through Japanese self-introduction. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Excellent! That's all for today. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.